Hi guys, today I've brought a brand new video that combines text with motion graphics. This editing method is very suitable for intros and show reels. Well, without further ado, let's get started. Launch VideoProc. Create a new project. Open the title panel in the upper left corner. Choose this preset and drag it to the subtitle track. Add the text content in the inspector. Select the desired font. Here I recommend using the bold text. Adjust the text size. Then we click the Edit Text button to enter the advanced interface. Modify the spacing values. Scroll down to the text border section. Click the color box and change it to white. Click Apply to apply the changes. Find the camera icon at the top of the preview window. Click it to generate the current screenshot. Then we'll return to the main interface. Use the shortcut Ctrl+C to copy it. Paste it later and click the Edit Text button again. Then we go to the text color section. Click the color box and change the text color to white. Remove the text border. Click Apply to return to the main interface. Click the camera icon again to generate an image of the current text. We continue to copy this text. Then modify the text content, specific parameters. Finally, you will get full text image like this. In addition, we also need to clear the text. Click the camera icon to generate a solid black image. Import these images into the software together. Drag the solid black image to the video track. Open the Effects panel in the upper left corner. Choose the border effect and drag it to the timeline. Adjust the size in the inspector. Click the camera icon to generate the box image. Import it into the software. This completes the preparation steps. Now we find this button. Click it to add several overlay tracks. Drag the texture background to the video track. Then we drag the two text images to tracks separately. In Inspector, first we click Height to make them fit to the screen. Then we go to the compositing area and add a screen blur mode to them separately. Next, we select the Hello text. Adjust its duration. Then use the Split tool to cut it into two parts. In Inspector, add a fading effect to the first part. And then select the second part. Find the crop icon in the toolbar and click it. In this interface, adjust the box to keep only part of the word. Click Apply to apply the changes. Use the Show or Hide Layer Rectangle button to adjust its position. Then we align the solid text with this time point. Similarly, we enter the Crop Editor panel. Adjust the box to keep only the first word. Click Apply to return to the main interface and adjust the position. Then use the shortcut Ctrl+C to copy it. Paste it to a new track. Edit the duration. Enter the Crop Editor panel again. Adjust the box to keep only the second word. Click Apply to apply the changes. Now we drag the other two words to different tracks. Add a screen blur mode to them separately. Then we adjust the size and the position in the frame to achieve different visual effects. After this, we select this clip. Find the motion icon in the toolbar. Click it to edit motion effect. Move the playhead to a appropriate position. Click Add keyframe. Adjust the box to fill the entire screen. Then move the playhead to the end to create a second keyframe. Adjust the box to make it smaller. Add a speed curve to it. Click Apply to return to the main interface. Select another clip. Similarly, enter the motion editor panel to add a zoom effect to it. First, drag the box image to an empty overlay track. Adjust its duration. Complete the basic editing for it. Then we click the motion icon. Click Add keyframe on the first frame. Adjust the size box to make it larger. Move the playhead forward and click Add keyframe. Add a speed curve for it. Then we continue to move forward and create a keyframe without any adjustments. Move forward again to create a keyframe. Move the box position to complete the box movement effect. Add a speed curve to it. Next, we continue to add a keyframe and don't do any editing here. Then we add another keyframe. Adjust the box size and position. Add a speed curve to it. And finally, we click Add keyframe on the last frame to hold the screen. Preview the effect. Click Apply to return to the main interface. Drag the box image to this time point again. Complete the basic editing for it. Then we add fade in and fade out effects to it. This completes the screen editing, and don't forget to add a suitable background music. And the effect production is now complete. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you want to know more about the author and tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!